So I'm taking a look at the news today, and I find yet another article proposing the fact that gold is at its highest it will ever be, and it is set for a major decline. One by one, I see these articles, and one by one, I have to laugh because people don't really realize, even these so-called sophisticated people don't realize the truth. And it's that the prices are completely manipulated. If you look at the price of gold, whether it's at 1100, 12, 1300, that is no significance whatsoever. The Dow Jones nearing all-time highs. But it means nothing at all because these are simply numbers that are manufactured. I've said this many, many times, talked about it in my book, talked about it in my interviews, and of course on this channel. And many people still don't realize this truth. But I need to point that out to people over and over again as they see what happens when this economy goes down. Because the reality of the situation is that many more people are unemployed now than they were a few years ago. But the prices, the market, the Dow Jones, for example, is rising. So when we're looking at something like the Dow Jones and it's rising and rising, it doesn't necessarily correspond to the economy. This is what I need to get through to people, and it is very important that we share this message with everyone we know. So one thing we can look at for gold, for example, you don't own gold to see it rise in value. You hold it there to preserve your wealth. But if you hold exclusively gold, you may be in trouble because historically they've done nationalization of gold. Also, they can force the metal down very, very low and it has less value in the market. There are all different things they can do to it. But it could be a part of a total program. Gold, silver, junk silver, storable food, land, real estate, everything that I've gotten into many, many times. So again, it's just one part of a bigger thing. And these articles that come out and all these so-called investors and all them, they are not to be trusted because, quite frankly, they don't realize the real severity of the collapse we're heading into. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.